So hello everyone, this is Himanshu Sharma from IIT Delhi Alumnus. So today we'll discussing about IIT most important PYQs. So let's start it. So one of the question is from GIF, Greatest India Function, and in this question we have given that box xy19, GIF is generally called as box x equal to box xy20. So now we have to find the number of positive integer which satisfy this equation. All right. So we know the function box x is nothing but taking a only integral value like as 0 when x is goes to 0 to 1 and 1 when x is goes to 1 to open 2 and 2 when x is goes to 2 to open 3. Okay. So let's discuss when this and this function takes equal value. Okay. So we have to only find positive integral solution, only positive integral solution. Okay. So firstly we have to take box xy92, let us suppose 0, that's equal to 0. That means this lies between box xy19 to 1. So our x is between 0 to 19, all right, from this equation. And let us suppose this is also equal to 0. So box xy20 is also equal to 0. So this equation implies box xy20 lies between 0 to open 1. So our x is lies between 0 to open 20, and both these equations have a solution 0, but our answer is different. So take intersection. So we will take a intersection, then we got the value of x is lies between 0 to 19 open, but we have to find only positive integer solution, so we reject 0. So our positive integer in between this is positive integral is 1 to up to 18. So there are 18 solution. So this is solution for only box xy19 and box xy20 equal to 0. So let's discuss when this is equal to 1. Alright. So box xy90 equal to 1 equal to box xy20. Alright. So if box xy19 equal to 1, that means xy19 belongs to 1 to open 2. So 19 to x 38. So the value of x lies between 19 to open 38. When box xy20 equal to 1, so our xy20 belongs to 1 to open 2. So our values is 20 to open 40. So let's take a intersection. If we take a intersection, then we got our x is lies between 20 to x 48. Oh sorry, 38. 20 is less than equal to. Alright. So number of positive integral between 20 to 38 is 21, 22, sorry 20, 20, 21, 22, dot 37. So there are 18 positive integers. So that's also 18 integer, 18 positive integer between 20 to 37. Alright. So let's take another. After that we generalizes. So xy19 equal to 2 and that's equal to xy20. Alright. So and also xy20 lies between 2 to open 3. Alright. So that is lies between 38 to x 57, and also that is lies between 40 to x 60. Alright. So now let's take a intersection. So from intersection we got our x is lies between 40 to 57 open. So number of positive integer lies between this is 40, 41 up to 56. So there are 17 positive integer. Alright. So there are 17 positive integer. So what we observe, the number of integer decreasing in every step. So in this 18 integer, and when we get box xy19 equal to 1, we got 18 integer, but when we solve box xy19 equal to box xy20, we got 17 integer. If we solve box xy 19 equal to 3 and box xy 20 also equal to 3, then we got 16 positive integer that satisfy this equation. All right. So this number is decreased in every step. So our number of total solution is 18 plus 18 plus 17 plus 16 dot 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 up to 1. So there is a sum of first 18 natural number plus 18. So the our answer is 18 into 19 divide by 2. So that's equal to 18 plus 171. So answer is 189. So final answer is 189. So option C is right option. All right. So that is one of the best problem to attempt in the exam.